Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another episode on powerful resume vocabulary. पहले दो episodes में हमने देखे कुछ verbs related to communication and leadership and problem solving and achievement. And in today's video, we're going to cover two more very important categories of people's personalities, and those are adaptability and flexibility and collaboration and teamwork. These things are crucially important for anybody to be a good and precious candidate for any organization. और इसीलिए इन categories में अगर आपके बारे में आपको कुछ explain करना है, describe करना है in your resume, then here is the list of those powerful verbs which you can use in your resume to elevate your impression to the next level. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So in the category of adaptability and flexibility, the verb number 1 is adapted. अब adapted का मतलब होता है changing situations को adjust करना. So there are some people who are very rigid and they're very stagnant. They don't want to change. They don't want to learn. But if you're not like that, if you can change, adjust according to the changing situation, then you're adaptable, right? तो अगर आपने ऐसा कुछ काम किया है अपने previous experience में, तो आप बिल्कुल बता सकते हो that I adapted to the situation. For example, in case you are a tester, so you can definitely say that all the project work shifted to automation testing from manual testing, and I adapted to this change very well. The second verb on the list is pivoted. Yes, और इसका मतलब होता है successfully changed the direction or approach of some task. So for example, if you were a team leader और आपने कोई approach change किया है, direction change की है in order to get better results, तो आप ये verb बिल्कुल ज़रूर use कर सकते हो. For example, I pivoted the way our team delivered testing results. Verb number 3 on the list is navigated. इसका मतलब होता है कि situations और challenges के through effectively manage करना. So I navigated through the time crunch, the timeline crunch successfully in this particular project. The verb number 4 in this category is revised. Yes, और इसका मतलब होता है कि need के अनुसार plans को, approaches को change करना. That is flexibility, right? That is adaptability. So for example, I was able to successfully revise the project delivery approach according to the changes in company's delivery policy. So basically, अगर आप accommodate कर सकते हो according to changing situations and challenges, तो you are a great asset for any organization. क्योंकि situations are never going to be constant and same ever, anywhere, right? The fifth word, which is not the verb, it's an adverb actually, on the list is flexibly. Flexibly का मतलब अगर आप बहुत easily transition कर सकते हो एक task से दूसरे task में, तो you can say that you can do it flexibly. So for example, I was working as a tech lead and a team lead both, and I can proudly tell that, and I was able to switch amongst the roles flexibly. So these were a few verbs related to the category adaptability and flexibility. Now let's move on to the next category in today's video, which is collaboration and teamwork. See, I was a good team player, I am a good team player. These are very common, ineffective kind of lines, right? So here is the list of those impactful verbs which you can use in this context. So the first verb on the list is collaborated. अब collaboration का मतलब क्या होता है? Basically लोगों के साथ effectively काम करना. देखो, we don't have a choice. We have to work along with people, right? पर अगर आप effectively काम करते हो, उनके साथ आपकी बनती है, आप उनसे अच्छा काम करा सकते हो, in that case you can say that you have worked collaboratively, right? So if you have worked effectively with people, you can definitely say, I collaborated with estimation, testing and delivery teams in order to ensure a smooth release of projects. मतलब मैं कोडर था तो सिर्फ मैंने कोडिंग की क्या? नहीं, बाकी टीम्स के साथ भी मैंने कोलैबोरेट किया so as to make sure that the project is delivered smoothly. Right? So that's about collaborated. The second verb on the list is cooperated. अब कोऑपरेट करना मतलब मदद करना. बेसिकली अगर आपने कंट्रीब्यूट किया है टीम के लिए कुछ अच्छा, तो आप बिल्कुल कह सकते हो that I cooperated. I was a coder, however, I always cooperated testing team to design impactful and effective test cases, for example. So cooperated means contributing positive. Verb number 3 on the list is united. Yes, united मतलब साथ लाना. अगर किसी एक गोल के लिए आपने लोगों को साथ लाया है और उनसे साथ काम भी करवाया तो आप बिल्कुल बोल सकते हो that you have united people or teams. तो अगर आप किसी बड़े लेवल पर हो, स्ट्रेटेजिक लेवल पर, लीडरशिप लेवल पर, तो ये वर्ड आप बिल्कुल यूज करिएगा. That is going to create and make another level of impact. So as a project manager, I was able to unite estimation, coding, testing and delivery teams together so as to keep them on the same page. That's about united. The verb number 4 on the list is harmonized. अब देखिए harmony, the word itself is very soothing and nice, right? तो harmonized मतलब क्या कि टीम्स के अमंगस्ट बहुत ही स्मूथ कोलैबोरेशन अगर आप कर सकते हो तो आपने क्या किया, आपने हार्मोनाइज किया. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिफोर आई टुक अप दिस चार्ज of an HR manager, there was a friction amongst the teams. But when I took this charge, I actually conducted a lot of employee engagement activities, and I was able to bring that harmony. I harmonized the teams together, basically. The fifth and the last word in this category is coordinated. अब coordinated का मतलब क्या होता है कि जब आप टीम्स के amongst या टीममेट्स के amongst कम्युनिकेट करते हो, उनको सेम पेज पे रखते हो और टास्क्स को अलाइन करते हो आपके गोल्स के लिए. अगर आप ये कर सकते हो तो आप कह सकते हो कि यू कोऑर्डिनेटेड. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, आई वर्कड एज एन ऑनशोर कोऑर्डिनेटर फॉर अ ईयर and I coordinated between onshore team and offshore team for their demands, their needs, their requirements, their tasks and their issues, all of those. So I was one who coordinated amongst these teams. So these were few verbs related to flexibility, adaptability, collaboration and teamwork, right? तो इसके बाद अगर इस कैटेगरी में आपको अपने आप के बारे में कुछ भी मेंशन करना हो रेज्यूमे में, so you have 10 words handy with you. Start working on your effective and impactful resume today. All the best with your resume building. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में with yet another very, very important topic related to your interview and career success. Also, by the way, if you want to know more about how to crack any kind of interview in this world confidently, then do check out the link that is provided in the description box of this video. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक keep preparing and keep rocking. Thank you.